Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, dan Maxi Sport Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat baka net foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
State President juga Bharatiya Janata Party upa Ernest Mawrie ulakam bakin dang don Shuh sakat tu kat ningot ki sitting MLA na ki sengsan partai per ki ban sapeni so abat ke BJP ha kini ki kindiat por ki ban sawan ha ka jinga kran mikila partai ku bor upa Ernest Mawrie ulaong ba menta ki ladan arngot ki MLA ki bela dep yakran ban peni so abat ke BJP.
Let's see, some of them they have already approached us. So we are on the way to discuss with them.
Which party?
From different party.
Can we have a number?
Till today we are having two of them. Again, I'm giving a statement today. This subject matter has been endorsed to the central leadership. So we are waiting for their call. It's not in our hand. Yeah, we met several times. On the 6th and 7th, we have the National Office Bearer meeting, where the Honorable Prime Minister himself was in the meeting, attended the meeting. And recently we have the meeting with the Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji, along with the National President JP Nadaji and the National Organizing Secretary B.L. Santosh ji. We are making the strategy how to fight election, how to strengthen the party, and how to identify the seat, more seat, when there will be seat. We have discussed all those things.
Your opinion is it too late to withdraw support?
I can't give any comment. That decision will take by the central
You will
leader.
face the election.
They will take the call.
Okay. Thank you. Full-fledged BJP government, we give you whatever you want.
Okay, Pak. Hak wedi makade ke benta ke wakili mafi. Ya kade ka tien khasi ngaladep banai jingshai mensuaru kidang eksamin nomor bon kiwai ru ki language ki ba include kade te kidang study ka kamla manlong den mentang-mentang ipan kan long mentang. It is underway. Te kata kalau keloi pelat ban discuss ya kata. Kumong ba sanbor ailat yang ni bengin don ka bor sampai dia ke bulan kam. Thank you.